Mondays. Way.
But anyway, to stay up.
Well, you got to be very healthy. I'll tell you what, whiskey, Hennessy, Guinness, Red Bull, champagne, everything come. Then dancehall, which is good. But look at that banner over here. It says JAHJAH Foundation. And you see, JAHJAH is like an abbreviation of Jehovah. I mean, I tell you, to preserve life, we need good health. And Jamaica don't have the best health here. And these people travel from way overseas. For a few years they have been doing it. I'm going to say the recognition and come out. And tell you what, a few people come up here to check their health. People, there is no wealth without health. I need dancehall to show the real life preservation, which is health. The stigma is dancehall over care about dancing and dancing and life. We care about life and love and liberty and upliftment and fun and joy. But everybody does not know it. So when we see foundation like these, and especially people who travel from overseas, and we are going back and then we're coming and dancing with free health care. Don't become an health scare. Check your health. This is free health care. JAHJAH Foundation, the world give me a round of applause to these people. Dr. Dixon, I want you to say something again because you hold the mic earlier on and them to recognize what's happening. Tell them what you're offering to my people.
HIV tested out of front. I usually get a little stick on your finger and you know your status. Because you don't know at the end of the night what I'm going. Know your status. Free HIV testing is free. Now cost you nothing. Come from Jersey and we bring it to the people. That's how people run the world. We now get the credit when we forget. And we're going to show them and say we have serious people. We love a party. And dance, we have a good time. Big up all the people as usual. Always support the thing. Real man and dancehall. Big up the crew from Jersey, JAHJAH Foundation. Big up yourself. Respect all the people.